Hi, my name is Mr. Miller, and I am a teaching artist with KidSmart. Today, we are going to be talking about body percussion. So let's jump right in. What is body percussion? Body percussion is the art of using the human body to make sound. So here are some examples of body percussion. You can clap. You can pat on your lap. You can snap, click, or flick your fingers, and you can also stomp or stamp your feet. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to assign each body percussion with a different symbol. So we're going to use the circle for clap, the triangle for stomp, the square for pat, and then the star for snapping. Here's how we're going to use it. We're going to create different patterns using these different symbols as a way to remember which ones we're supposed to do next. So the first one would go like this. Clap, stomp, snap, pat. Let's try a different one. This one would go stomp, snap, snap, clap. The next one goes pat, clap, pat, snap. And the last one goes snap. Nope, I messed that one up. Let's try it again. This one goes stomp, snap, clap, clap. All right, so you can do this at home by making it your own. You can find different ways to make sounds. You can click with your tongue and give that a different symbol, or find different ways to make sounds with your body. Give them different symbols and come up with your own patterns and see if you can maybe try it with your parents and see if they can figure out your patterns and play along as well at home. So I hope this is a fun activity for you guys and enjoy. Make it your own, get creative, and have fun.